Welcome to the first day of our trip. We are staying in Allison and doing loops from here. So every day, depending on the weather, we'll choose the direction where we go and take it from there. Today on the first day, we're actually going to the island of Runde, which is also known as the Bird Island. It's a little bit shorter ride so we can get used to the bikes and get into the flow. Weather's supposed to be quite nice. Might be a little bit of rain in the afternoon. So we'll see how that goes. Bring our rain gear, and then I've marked the route where we're going to go. So here we're staying in Allison, doing different loops in different directions on every day. Today, gonna ride here. It takes us about 25 minutes, about 20 minutes on the ferry. And from there we ride all the way up to the island of Runde, back down, around here, and then we just make our way back. If we have some extra time, we're gonna do a little sight, like a viewpoint over Allison, which is gonna be very nice if the weather works. Otherwise, we'll save it for another day. So that's gonna be the ride for today. Follow along, hope you'll enjoy it, and I'll see you afterwards. We just got back to the hotel after our first day of riding. Had a beautiful day, not really any rain, just a few drips for a very short time. So we just added on a little sightseeing from the top of the hill over Ellesund. I'm sure you've seen that. Now it's just time to take shower, get changed, do all that, and then we're gonna have dinner in town at a cool little restaurant. And then it's time to get ready, prepare for tomorrow, where it's supposed to be very nice and sunny. So we're gonna go, if it is, to the Atlantic Coastal Road. Beautiful road to drive, so we're looking forward to that. So for now, good night and see you tomorrow.